Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q7 vs Fiat 500 full comparison. Follow along as I highlight differences in performance, comfort, efficiency, and ownership costs. I'll walk through exterior, interior engine options, driving feel, cargo space, and technology. Expect clear pros and cons for each model and practical advice for daily use, family needs, and budget priorities. Stick around to make a confident choice between these two distinct cars. Comparing performance, the Audi Q7 typically delivers stronger acceleration, more precise handling, and all-wheel drive stability, while the Fiat 500 focuses on nimble city driving and fuel efficiency. I'll describe engine choices, horsepower differences, ride comfort, and braking feel. We will also cover real-world fuel numbers, parking ease, and maintenance considerations to help you weigh spirited driving against urban practicality. This section aims to clarify which driving style suits you best. Quick recommendation today. Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that make lunches tidy and travel safe. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, and check the description for the link and other deals. I mention these containers as a handy tip for busy drivers who value compact storage and spill prevention. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Space and practicality differ greatly between these two cars, with the Audi Q7 offering 3-row seating, ample cargo, and family-friendly features, while the Fiat 500 limits passengers and cargo for compact city use. I'll compare interior materials, infotainment, storage solutions, and daily usability. We'll also touch on insurance, fuel, and expected service costs to provide a realistic ownership picture. Use this information to match passenger needs with budget and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.